What's up, Savage Nation?
Are you guys ready for this year's fall sports?
Cause I am.
Yeah.
One town, one team, one dream!
Woo!
Whips in your face.
Make sure to start the party early and tailgate.
And please remember, seniors always in front.
We were all freshmen once. You gotta earn your spot in the front.
Hey, guys! Seniors in the front, your time will come. Everyone, you have to pay your dues. Your time will come, guys. All right, yeah!
Don't be that guy in the stands texting.
Get loud and get crazy.
Woo!
All right, come on, let's go. Good hit, nice.
Go! Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go! Why are you guys yelling?
Shane, nobody wants to listen to a jerk, dude. Come on.
Sorry,
Just
guys.
cheer our teammates on.
Get loud and cheer. Let's go. Let's go, Savages. Let's go.
Always participate in this chance.
And always remember the rule of three.
Yeah.
S-A-V-A! G-E-S! S-A-V-A!
G-E-S!
S-A-V-A!
G-E-S!
The normal way.
I
I
believe
believe
that
that
I believe that we will win.
I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. Make sure to do the stomp during kickoff. Savannah football is full of tradition.
Multiple MEC titles.
Multiple district titles.
And 2 semifinal teams.
One town.
One team.
One dream.